The concept that our reality could be the creation of a form of alien intelligence is a captivating and deeply speculative one, blending philosophy, science fiction, and metaphysical inquiry. While there is no empirical evidence to support this hypothesis, its allure comes from the intersection of two profound questions: the nature of intelligence in the universe and the nature of reality itself. Could an advanced alien civilization possess the technological or cognitive means to fabricate an entire universe? And if so, what might their motives be? More importantly, how would such a realization alter our understanding of existence? The nature of alien intelligence. To entertain the possibility that alien intelligence created our reality, we must first expand our conception of what constitutes intelligence. Typically, we imagine extraterrestrial beings as somewhat akin to ourselves, biological entities, perhaps more technologically advanced, but still within the bounds of what we can understand. However, if we consider the potential vastness of the universe, or even multiverses, we must account for the possibility of intelligence that exists beyond our current imagination, perhaps taking forms that are non-physical, hyperdimensional, or even digital. In the Kardashev scale, a hypothetical framework used to measure the advancement of civilizations based on their energy consumption, a Type 1 civilization controls the energy of its planet, while a Type 2 civilization controls the energy of its solar system, and a Type 3 civilization controls the energy of its galaxy. A civilization of this magnitude, or one that transcends even these tiers, might be capable of manipulating the very fabric of space-time, reality, and existence. These alien beings could, in theory, generate simulated realities on scales we can't fathom. Their intelligence might be so vast that they do not merely travel between stars or galaxies but create them. This brings us to the notion that such a civilization could create an entire simulated universe, a concept mirrored in our own burgeoning technologies such as virtual reality and artificial intelligence. Nick Bostrom, a Swedish philosopher, popularized the idea that we may live in a simulation. And though his hypothesis was focused more on the possibility of post-human civilization creating simulations, the idea can easily extend to alien entities. The simulation hypothesis and its alien variant. If alien intelligence created our reality, this would be a variant of what is often referred to as the simulation hypothesis. The simulation hypothesis posits that all of reality, including Earth and the universe, is an artificial construct, akin to a computer simulation. The key difference in the alien version of this hypothesis is that instead of humans, an extraterrestrial civilization would be responsible for creating and running this simulation. Such a simulation would not necessarily be confined to the parameters of what we consider computational power. It could be generated through means far more advanced than anything we can conceive, perhaps utilizing quantum mechanics, space-time manipulation, or exotic forms of energy. This leads to questions about the rules and structures of our universe. Is the speed of light, the expansion of the universe, or the flow of time itself mere constructs in a grand alien design system? Philosophically, this raises concerns about free will, determinism, and our understanding of reality. If alien intelligences are capable of creating simulated realities, they might also be capable of controlling or influencing the events within that reality. How much of what we perceive as random chance or natural law is simply a part of an alien-created code? Are we conscious entities with independent agency, or sophisticated simulations with pre-programmed responses? Motivations behind creating reality. If we consider that alien intelligence may have created our reality, we must also contemplate their motivation. Why would such a powerful intelligence go to the trouble of creating not just a planet, but an entire universe? Here we can speculate along several lines. One possibility is scientific curiosity. Just as humans run simulations to study climate change, ecosystems, or even historical events, an alien civilization might create entire universes to understand the nature of existence, test hypotheses about the origins of life, or observe the behavior of intelligent species under various conditions. We could be part of a grand experiment, a petri dish of cosmic proportions. Another possibility is artistic creation. Just as humans create novels, films, and virtual worlds for entertainment or expression, alien beings might create universes as a form of artistic or intellectual endeavor. Our universe, in this sense, could be a cosmic work of art, the ultimate expression of creativity for an intelligence far beyond our own. Yet another explanation might be benevolent guardianship. Perhaps these aliens are not just creators, but also caretakers, overseeing the development of life and consciousness, intervening in subtle ways to guide our evolution or protect us from existential threats. This aligns with certain philosophical and spiritual traditions that envision a creator or overseeing intelligence, though in this case, the creator would be a scientific alien intelligence rather than a divine being. A more chilling prospect is that we are being observed for reasons unknown to us. An ant farm created by alien scientists, or an advanced AI for purposes that remain obscure. In such a scenario, our creators might be indifferent or even callous about our fate, treating us as mere data points in their vast and unknowable agendas. The impact on human understanding. If it were proven that our reality is the creation of alien intelligence, the implications for humanity would be profound. Religions, which often posit the existence of a divine creator, would have to grapple with the idea that the creator is not a supernatural deity, but an alien intelligence, perhaps with its own hierarchy of gods or superior beings. Philosophically, such a discovery would raise questions about the meaning of life, the nature of consciousness, and our place in the cosmos. Furthermore, the discovery would force a re-evaluation of science. How do the laws of physics, chemistry, and biology fit into the context of a simulated or created reality? Are these laws constants, or are they malleable rules set by the creators? Could we, as humans, learn to hack or manipulate the simulation ourselves? Moreover, if alien intelligence can create realities, then reality itself may be far more fluid and subject to manipulation than we previously thought. Perhaps our universe is one of many, each created by different intelligences, or even by the same intelligence at different times. We may be living in an age where virtual reality and artificial intelligence begin to mirror, on a small scale, the creative powers of these alien entities, hinting at our potential future as reality architects. Conclusion. The idea that alien intelligence may have created our reality is a fascinating and profound speculation that touches on deep philosophical, scientific, and existential questions. While it remains in the realm of conjecture, it forces us to reconsider our assumptions about the universe, the nature of intelligence, and the boundaries of creation. Whether our reality is a product of alien minds or not, the exploration of this possibility expands the boundaries of our imagination and challenges us to think in broader, more cosmic terms about our existence. Ultimately, the notion reflects our desire to understand the origins of reality itself, whether those origins lie in divine hands, human ingenuity, or the intellect of beings far beyond our comprehension. Subscribe